Good morning. Another beautiful day. Look, we have no sun, we have fog. And my hair, I swear I combed it before I left. But look, I'm in a light jacket, not my heavy winter coats. So we're moving forward. It's a plus. Gee, the cars can't see me here. Today, we're talking about snacks. Oh, another tough one. I've got 30 baby steps for clean, low-carb living. One of them is to give up snacks. Don't worry, we're not going there yet. If you're still eating the standard American diet, you're likely snacking all day long because those carbs make you crave more carbs. Those carbs don't satisfy and you're hungry an hour later. We're also in the habit of snacking all day long. So before we give up snacks, a good choice is to swap our snacks. So what are we snacking on? I used to, excuse me, good morning, good morning. I used to always have Hershey's Kisses in my file cabinet drawer when I taught. Yeah, I dug into those multiple times a day. Really excellent. But then if I was going to have a mini treat, I go for something more substantial, like a Snickers bar or a granola bar, right? A granola bar. That's virtuous, isn't it? Granola. No. My husband, he likes chips. Yeah, he likes to do the different kinds of potato chips. And they're all bad. Why are they bad? They're bad. First of all, eating all day long is bad. I won't go into that right now. Second of all, what are we eating? Remember, when we're clean low carb, we are nutrition first. Nutrition, protein and natural fat. You're getting almost no protein, if any, in anything I just mentioned. And you're getting fat, but it's unnatural fat. It's that horrible, unnatural, man-made toxic seed oil, which also makes you hungry, by the way. So it's all terrible. So let's swap it out for something better. If you have a craving for something salty, nuts, salted nuts are a great choice. Raw nuts, roasted nuts, dry roasted nuts. I fell into this trap. I was having myself plenty of dry roasted nuts because they're roasted dry. What could the problem be? Well, the problem is I hadn't looked at the ingredient label. Sure, they're coated in sugar. They didn't taste sweet to my tongue, but they weren't clean. You want the ingredient on your nuts, ingredient label on your nuts to look like peanuts, salt, or peanuts, peanut oil, salt. If they're roasted in peanut oil, that's okay. Flavored nuts are never okay. Someone out there, if I'm wrong, correct me. Let me know about some flavored nuts that aren't roasted in some kind of a seed oil and including a sugar and other weird additive. So, just nuts, simple nuts. Another good idea is cheese. Cheddar cheese without the cracker, yeah. Actually, I like cheese and nuts together. I know I'm not supposed to snack. I'm supposed to be more advanced. I'm not. I still cheat. My cheating is just isn't as egregious as it used to be. Oh, it's a Monday morning and I'm out here with the school buses, looking like a weirdo. Okay. So cheese is another excellent option. Not American cheese. No, but cheddar cheese, Swiss cheese. Yeah. American cheese is processed cheese. Don't touch that. I know it's yummy. I wouldn't eat it anymore. And then what if you have a sweet tooth? I got you. Lily's sugar-free chocolate chips. They're sugar-free. They're delicious. And I will take some nuts and throw in some of the Lily's chips and a twist of the mineral salt. Oh yeah. It's like trail mix. Remember trail mix? Or like that granola bar without the and nougat holding it together. Yeah, it's delicious. So those are some options, and they're good. They all have protein. Well, the lilies, no, but at least it's not full of sugar and seed oil. But remember, they're not free. They're not free. The only free snack would be butter. Carnivores do that. Go carnivores, brown butter bites. Yeah, I tried those. They're not bad, actually. They're not bad. But if you're eating standard American diet, that's probably not going to be your first step. Hi, I'm Eileen. I reversed the worst of my early Alzheimer's symptoms through a clean low-carb diet. That's what I like to talk about here on my new little channel. I'm doing sunrise walk and talks every day, talking about my 30 steps to clean low-carb living. If you want to know more, check the links in the description below. Thank you for spending time with me. Thank you for liking my video, commenting on my video, sharing my video. And until tomorrow, let's all stay strong, wise, kind, and good. Choose good food for good health. Bye.